learned that singing of the poem, that is left and right. What's the poem name, children? Left and right. What is the poet name? Paul King. Yes, we know about him also in the previous class. Yes, have you learned the singing of the poem, children? Yes, now just recall once again the singing of the poem. Okay, children? Yes. Left and right were going to fight. Left and right were going to fight. They crossed their swords in the middle of the night. They crossed their swords in the middle of the night. Left and right were equally strong. Left and right were equally strong. Left and right were equally wrong. Left and right were equally wrong. Left and right grew tired of fight. Left and right grew tired of fight. So they all shook hands and said good night. So they all shook hands and said good night. Yes, children, if you not practice today, okay, and learn the poem perfectly, the singing, and learn even all the interesting words which I have given already. Right? Yes. Now we are moving on to the next step of the poem, that is understanding the poem with the start the poem now. Okay. Right? Left and right were going to fight. Where they were going? They were going to fight. What for they were fighting? They are fighting for to do the works, right? I will be the first. I have to do the work. I am strong. I am strong, right? Like that they are fighting to do the work always. Right? I see in the class we will call you to do some work, right? Please bring the duster or bring the chalk piece, we say. But what you say? What you will do? Ma'am, me, you will ask, right? And if we ask any question to answer the question, you will be raising your hand. Ma'am, me. Ma'am, I will say answer. Ma'am, I will say answer, right? Like that, the hands left and right are also fighting to do the works. I should be the first. I should be first. Like that. Okay, children. Next, move on to the next line. They crossed their swords in the middle of the night. What is mean by crossed sword? Crossed sword. You have you seen this symbol of crossing like that? Means opposite. Means they to argue. They are arguing. Means I am great. No, I am great. Like that they are arguing. To fight with someone. Who is fighting here? Left and right. Left is fighting with right. Right is fighting with left. Right. They are fighting each other. They crossed. Crossed means they are fighting. They are opposing each other. They are fighting each other. Like that. Okay. Cross their swords in the middle of the night. In the middle of the night, they start to fight. Okay. Then children are fighting to do the works. Do you feel that? Yes. See, while carrying some things to take the duster, you will be with the left hand, with the right hand. Sometimes to do the work, you will be choosing the hand. To do this, to lift the bucket, which hand? If you first you will lift by right hand. You can't. Means you will take also both the help of left hand also, right? So both the hands are important. Both the hands are helpful to do all the works, heavy works mainly. Okay, with the single hand, what all can be done? What you will do? You will use of both the two hands also. Left and right hand, both the hands are useful to do the heavy works. Okay, and children, you don't think that right hand is more great and left hand is not great. Okay, means both the hands are great. Left is also useful to do the works. Okay, see children, if you holding the plate, can you hold by only single hand? It may fall, right? While holding by single hand. So if you are holding with the two hands, you cannot. Even someone push also, you will be holding tightly, right? Like that. Okay, so both hands are useful. Left and right were equally strong. See children, is it? Are you your left and right hands are strong? Yes, the hand should be strong. Why? Because most of our works will be done by our hands, right? So the hand should be strong. So you should make that hands to become strong. When these hands will become strong, when you do works, how much you will not work, you will give the rest for your hands, that much they will suffer by doing the works. See, for some page, some lines, a few lines if you write, you will say hand pain. Why? You will not you making use of your hands properly, so you are feeling that pain. Isn't it, children? So you should give more exercise for the hands, then they become strong. Okay. Then hand free exercises, right? So when you wake up in the morning, you should do the exercises like butterfly exercises, clapping exercises, right? Then lifting the heavy things like dumbbells, lifting dumbbells. These are the exercises you have to do. Then your hands and shoulders will become strong and you can do works easily. Yes, children? Yes, like that, left and right are equally strong. They both are equally strong. Not one is weak, one is strong. Both are strong. So, children, equal opposite word what? Unequal. Means you can see weighing machine, right? Both are same in the weighing machine, it is equal. When is down, one is up and one is down, then it is unequal. Can you understand that? Yes, that is equal and unequal. Okay, both are strong, we said. Strong opposite word what? Weak. Strong opposite word? Weak. Weak means not strong enough, right? Less effort, less energy, that is weakness. Okay, strong. Left and right were equally strong. Left and right were equally wrong. See, children, here poet is telling that left and right are equally wrong. Why the poet is saying like that, equally wrong? Are they wrong actually? Yes. Why they are wrong? Tell me what is the reason to be the wrong? Yes, see, children, one cannot fight, right? With the one hand can you clap? No, with the two hands only you can clap, right? Like that, with the done, right? Like that, in between two, here left and right. In between two, right is also fighting, left is also want to fight. Right is also want to fight, left is also want to fight. They are fighting each other, means both are doing mistake, right? So both are wrong. Both are wrong. Equally they are wrong. Right. If they compromise, if they share each other, see, some works right hand let it do, some works left hand let it do. Okay, some of the heavy works both hands should be done. Like that, if they are sharing the works, then they are right. Okay, what's the opposite of wrong? Right. They are wrong. Right. When they are right, when they are sharing, when they are compromising the things, then they are right. The poet is saying both are wrong. Why? Because they are fighting. They want to fight each other. Right? So they are wrong. Okay. Until when they will fight? Until where they will fight? Let they become tired. Till then they will continue the fighting. Right? What happens in the next line? Let us see. Left and right grew tired of fight. Grew tired of fight. See, children, what is the meaning of tired? To feel weak. Weak spelling, see, children. W-E-A-K, weak. Weak. W-E-E-K, week means you say weeks of the days of the week. Sunday, Monday, these are week. Okay, 7 days we are called week, right? That is W-E-E-K, week. Here W-E-A-K, week means no, feeling weak means tired of, means not having energy, not strengthen. No strength means it is what? Weak. Okay, are you understanding weak? Yes. Left and right grew tired of the fight. Why they tired? Why they feel weak? For the fighting, they become weak. They become tired of. Then what they do? So they all shook hands. Shook means what? Shaking. Right? They shook hands and said what? Why they shook hand? To say good night. To say the good night. See, children, the poet is saying for us, whole day they'll fight for to do the works, and then at last the night they tired of by doing all the works. Then they shook hands. They'll join hands and said good night. They said good night means yes, let us be friends, don't fight, let us share the things. Both are tired of fighting. They shake hands and said good night each other. Good night to the left, good night to the right. They said good night and they are slept off. Yes, children, how wonderfully the poet is explained for us. Right and left. Right is also great, left is also great. Okay, right is also strong, left is also strong. Both the hand, left and right are strong, and at the same time left and right are also weak. So wrong also they said, right? Yes, children, like this the Paul King, the poet, explained us left and right. Yes, children, you know hands are left and right are very important. You came to know that, right? Yes. And also, by using the hands, what all the skills, occupations it can do? Tell me. Can you guess? See, writing by hands, right? Then painting. Most of the activities you can give the examples, right? Mainly the occupations means they will be depend upon that for their life. Okay, such we call occupations. We can name them like pottery. Can you say pottery? Potter. Potter means who will make the pots. Do they make the pots with the leg or any other parts of a body? No, they need hands. Hands are very useful to make the pots, right? Yes. Even painter. Yes, painter to paint the wall. Maybe the picture, maybe wallpaper, maybe the drawing, anything it may be painting, that they need hand. Both the hands they need. Right, children? Have you observed while painting? While taking right hand is much useful, and at the same time to wiping, to make corrections. At the same time they use even left hand also. Yes, children, can you see plumbers? Plumber, have you seen plumber means who works with the pipe settings and all, right? Plumber, he is also work with the hand. Okay, nowadays everything is depend upon what? Computer. This is a computer era, right? We use mainly the hands to operate the computers and the smart gadgets like smartphones and all, right? Yes, that hand is very much useful now. Okay, children, like that electricians, then handmade designer. Have you seen handwork designer? Nowadays you might be seeing embroider, handwork designs and all. To make that, hands are very important. So hands skills, making the hand skills, you can occupy there are many occupations with the help of hands. Okay, children? Yes, you came to know about hands. In the hands there are also like, what are these? Fingers, right? Think of children, do you have all fingers, right? Yes, but think of if we are not having fingers, what happens? Can you feel, can you imagine it? Yes, children, if you don't have fingers, we will face a lot of problem, right? It is one of like a polydactyl means many causing problems, right? So it is one kind of disease also, one kind of handicap. Okay, yes, means if they don't have fingers, what happens? Only palm is there, no fingers, like this. How they can do the work? It is so difficult, right? Imagine if any work can you do without fingers? No, see how the people who are not having fingers, how they lead the life. Fingers are not there, how the people will do? That is very creative minds they are. Right, children? They feel very difficulty to lead life, but also they take that as a challenge and they will work even without fingers also. You can watch in that video. Okay, children? So, whatever the God has given us, the both hands and all the fingers, okay, they are working properly. Even the fingers they have, but they are not to make foldings and all. They cannot. Such persons also there. Okay, children, that is also kind of a disease. Okay, but they are also facing difficult. There are treatments for that also. Okay, but luckily we don't have that problem, so we kindness, we show kindness and mercy on people who are having that what problem they are having, that scarcity means problem. Let us help for them when we see them. When we see them, let us help them and show our humanity. Okay, children. In this, there are some cap questions. That is, make a meaningful sentence with the word tired. Tired means you know already. Feel weak. Okay, children. When you feel weak, when you are fighting, when you are writing so much, when you are reading so much, you are tired. Right? The sentence about using the tired. I'm tired of playing. You say. Okay. Then any other sentence? Yes. My pet dog. My dog is tired by chasing the cat. By chasing the cat. Can you say like that? Yes. Then I'm tired by doing household works. Okay. I'm tired by cleaning the house. You can say, right? Yes, children. Next, come to the other cap question. Find two set of rhyming words at the end of the poem. Yes, children. Yeah, you saw the poem. In that, similar ending sound words we call rhyming words, right? Okay, these rhyming words are the words having the ending sounds are similar. Sword is rhymed with board. Okay, sword, board. These are also rhyming words. Then strong, wrong, strong, wrong. Fight, night, fight, night. Yes, these are all the rhyming words. Okay, children. Then with this, if there is one more cap question in your textbook, if you upset with your very close friend and had a fight, what would you do to solve the matter? See, both are very close friends, but if for some reason you stop talking, what you will do next? Okay, myself, I'll step one step forward and I'll go to my friend. Okay, let us forget what we fight. Okay, let's be friends. Let us talk with each other. Let us talk now one words. I'll tell to my friend and I'll become friend. Yes, children, you to do, then your friendship will be strong. Okay, if you both fight, you leave off talking, you move far away, he too will move far away, then your friendship will break off, right? So don't allow to break the friendship. Please, if you speak, nothing happens, right? Will not speak, friendship will break off. So don't give a chance for that. Be friends forever. Okay, children. Now let's watch activity in this video. There is activity in the last. Watch rhyming words activity and understand and practice and learn the all rhyming words, opposite words and meanings and the poem. Okay, children. Bye. Children, let us read first these flashcards. Okay. Then you will come to know the sound. Some of these ending words of these words are similar. Ending sounds of these words are matching to one another. Let us see now. Okay. Listen carefully pronunciation. Then you can identify easily. Okay. R-I-G-H-T, right. R-I-G-H-T, right. F-I-G-H-T, fight. F-I-G-H-T, fight. S-W-O-R-D, sword. S-W-O-R-D, sword. B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. B-R-I-G-H-T, bright. W-R-O-N-G, wrong. W-R-O-N-G, wrong. N-I-G-H-T, night. B-O-A-R-D, board. B-O-A-R-D, board. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. Right, children? Now, you should guess which is the match for this rhyming word. Right. Which one is match in these all flashcards? Right. Match with bright. Matching with bright. Spelling. Write the spelling. B-R-I-G-H-T. Bright. Okay, children. Yes. The next word is fight. Which can be matched with the fight? Night. Fight. Night. N-I-G-H-T. Night. Fight. Night. Yes. Then sword. What is the word? S-W-O-R-D. Sword is matched with board. Yes, children, strong. Strong can be rhymed with wrong. Strong, wrong. Right? Spelling W-R-O-N-G, strong. Yes, children. Once you read this, write bright, fight, night, sword, boar, strong, wrong. Yes? Have you understood these rhyming words? Are their ending sounds are similar? Yes. Yes, children, practice these words and learn these spellings and learn to write without singing. Okay? Yes. Anytime if I ask, you should be able to match these rhyming words. Okay, children? Yes, practice this at your home and become perfect. Thank you.